Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet neckline designs, collar designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women beautiful crochet collar designs, beautiful neckline designs, stylish designing ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see in this my video. Stylish light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts is decorated with flowers, beaded stones. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet neckline designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women stylish crochet neckline designs, beautiful collar designs?